That's fine, that's recorded. So this is something we prepared earlier.
Here's one we prepared earlier.
Yeah, that's the one, yeah.
It's very nice.
And we had to pick up the phone. So
Are you like Martha Stewart? Here's one I prepared earlier.
Yeah, you taught me that.
Oven for 35 minutes.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Bless.
But look at that. Look how careful. And as you said, the cutter and, you know, they've made sure that
Yes.
they've matched it up perfectly. In this instance, they had a lucky run too to be able to do the dreezy, because I've seen how they cut these. And it's quite fascinating because sometimes you can end up with a different colour on the other side or something different. You can, and in this instance, you'll notice that they managed to get started of that hole, and then in this they didn't.
Yeah.
But in this instance, they got it complete match.
And that's what I like about that, Victoria, is it makes each piece an individual piece.
It really does, doesn't it? And you know it's natural. We're not mucking around here. This is,
No, they're very special.
The colours are gorgeous.
They're really good, aren't they? So they're very different.
So you'll have to come in and see more, guys, before they fly away.
Yeah, before they go.
Yeah, what else do we need to tell our lovely people? There's a live tomorrow.
Live tomorrow at 1 o'clock on the Crystal Universe VIP page. So if you bought from us before and you're on Instagram and you're seeing us on the Crystal Universe Melbourne page and you haven't yet subscribed to our Crystal Universe VIP page, may I suggest you do. We had some amazing specials this week, Victoria, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
So you're missing out.
Yeah. We post it daily. We try and post a daily special on there, so it's a great little deal. Some very smart customers snap those up, those little baby bracelets.
Yes.
They've been fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah.
And tomorrow's the live at 1 o'clock.
Baby pastel coloured bracelets. They're actually adult size, sorry. Yes, and
But they were
tomorrow's
great
a
for
live.
spring.
Oh, yeah, and then tomorrow's a live. But Charles and Belinda will do a wonderful live as usual. Yeah. So join us at 1 p.m.
Yeah. It's all happening here at Crystal Universe.
It really is.
High vibes.
It is.
High vibes.
We do high vibes. So it's very exciting. So, yeah, anything else we need to add?
No,
Brazil, we're unpacking.
Yes. Oh, so agate slices are in, agate tea lights are in, new bookends are in.
Yeah.
What else? The cupcakes. Oh my goodness gracious me! The Amazonite cupcakes flew out the door yesterday. The orange calcite generators. We've put them on the table like late yesterday. Three have already walked out the door, didn't they?
Oh, yeah.
But 3 of the larger ones.
Yeah.
The amethyst generators are in. There's a lot. It's all happening.
It's all happening.
It's all go. And the 10 centimetre selenite towers that you posted on the weekend.
They're all
they're nearly all gone.
Oh dear.
So if you're looking for 10 centimetre selenite towers, get in quick. Get in touch with us.
Definitely. Yeah, they're very popular. And people love putting them in packs and everything.
Yes, they're
and
great.
we've placed an order for the 6 centimetre now because they were all the go-to. So they're coming at some stage. Oh, and send us a list for your Denver. Because we're going to Denver to shop.
Yes.
So we need your
Let's
list.
go. We'll do a live from Denver, Victoria. No, but yes. No, Denver.
Definitely.
Some of you have asked us for tanzanites.
Yeah.
We got them in Tucson. Actually, we got them in Tokyo, I think. Was it Tokyo?
I think you're right. Yeah, it was Tokyo.
So
You're exactly right.
if you've been waiting for tanzanites, they are in, and they are in our mineral gallery, and they are spectacular, aren't they, Victoria? Absolutely spectacular.
And now, whilst in fresh in my mind, because I think of the moldavite as well, if you've ever wanted to acquire a piece of moldavite but found it a bit too steep in price, now's the time to come in. We've got 25% off all green.
Yes, and you're exactly right. And the price point on these moldavites is it's great.
Yeah,
it's really, really good.
Another, shipment that we got in from when Rob went buying in Tokyo. He was lucky enough to secure that lot. So
yes. But this is the benefit of shopping with Crystal Universe, Victoria, that Rob knows people all around the world. And when they've got special things, they offer them to Rob. And then he'll say, yep, let's take them. So we're blessed. We
are blessed, aren't we?
But that's sourcing quality since 1984.
That's right.
You can't buy that elsewhere.
No, you can't, can you, love?
No, that's good.
No, that's right. So, yeah, guys, anything else we need to add, Charles, or would you love them and leave them now?
Just love them and leave them. We've got to unpack these butterflies before they fly away. We've got to put them all together. The sheltered workshop to go. And it's like, let's do this. But they are spectacular.
Look at that.
Look at how it sits.
It lightens up every room. Like, this is just lovely.
We also sell the wooden stands that might, I don't know if they're wood, but they might fit these with the little legs.
They actually might. You never know.
But that's an option. But these are spectacular.
You can decorate so much around them.
Of course you can. They're very special. So we've only done 2. So what we'll do is we'll take a video later when we've got them all ready to fly. What's a group of butterfly called? If you know the answer to that, let us know.
Yes.
I love that. All right, guys, we're going to love you and leave you.
Have a good one.
Have a great day. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.